Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So I'm gonna smile right now and take a what's it called? The picture thingy. Okay, I think I got one down there. Hopefully. Anyways, this is our box. It's a little small this time around. I have not seen really anything that's going to be in this box. I did open up my Instagram and I did see a glimpse of somebody's box, and then I wasn't supposed to get mine till Monday, and today's Sunday, so I actually got, today's Saturday, so I actually got it a day early. So I'm super excited. We're going to cut right into this box. And we will do it how we always do it. You guys see first. This is what's in there. So what do we have? It says boxycharm and our little papers. We got another little paper. Let's start with, oh, it's warm. It just came out of my mail. But this is a Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Oh, that's cool. I bet it's green. I wonder if it smells like anything. It's like a pale, light green. I don't want to use a lot, but I do want to show you guys that. You see that? It's like a pale, minty looking green. It smells very herby and like a little bit of mint, like herbs and mint. But yeah, so that's our veggie food mask. It's item number 1. The next item I have grabbed is the Luxy, Gagella. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. I feel like this box so far, with this very earthy face mask and now this earthy package for Luxy brushes, is very earth friendly and go green is my vibes I'm getting. Oh my god, I love these. I'm not even sure if I'll like the actual brushes, but I am in love with how these brushes look. It's like a wooden, pretty. This is a precision crease brush. I have a foundation brush, which I already knew. I'm really actually excited to try this. It feels super soft. And then I got a large eye blending brush. That's really exciting. And I'm not a big pink person, but I think it's because it's the wooden, you can see the grain of wood, and I love these. These are super cute. So I got more brushes, got an awesome face mask. The next I got was the cleansing spa water. Okay, so these are just makeup remover cloths, and I get, I think, 10 of them. Yeah, 10 cloths in here. I'm not gonna open this because I don't want to use them yet, but it says it contains natural herb oil essence using Lizamu natural spa water, oil-free and mildly acidic. That word. Something like that. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Next, we have 2 more items that were under the phone. Oh, is that it, right? Yeah. So we have a Butter London something and a Luna by Luna. So let's go ahead and let's just open this. Okay. Can you guys see that? I don't know what it looks like. Ooh, these are pretty. That one's a little smudged, but I'll just wipe that up. Oh, those are pretty. Okay. like I said, it's a very earthy toned box. Like it's, I don't know. What was, like, was it Earth Day this month or something? I don't know. Okay, so the Luna by Luna is a, ooh, it's a lip gloss. I have like this really, oh gosh, I almost dropped it. Really cute packaging with the stars. And yeah. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, it's very neutral. You can even like see that on my hand. Okay. Since I'm not wearing any makeup right now, I kind of want to just, I'm not even going to put primer on. I'm just going to like use this box as is. I got a few brushes. Got 2 eye brushes and a foundation brush. I'm not going to be using the foundation, but I will be using this crease and this blending brush with the Butter London palette. Just so pretty. Oh, let's go ahead and clean that up a bit. What should I do, you guys? I'm gonna cough. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I didn't want you guys to have to hear me cough, but like I felt like I got something stuck in my throat, and I was like, damn. And so, got that taken care of. I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the crease brush, and I'm gonna start with Queen, because Queen looks like a really pretty, like, it's like a rosy color. So I'm gonna be applying this to my crease. Let's take, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what to do. Like, these colors are so pretty, and I guess no matter how I put it on, it's not gonna look bad. Let's go ahead and take some Diva and Enchantress. And I'm gonna actually take the same brush. Like I said, I'm using the same brush for these. I'm gonna go in with Diva first. I'm gonna be putting Diva just on the outer corner here, just because it looks darker. It's so pretty. Okay, doing the same for this side, putting Diva on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go in with Enchantress. Putting this on my inner corner. And then I'm gonna take the blending one, and I'm just gonna kind of like, I guess lightly blend all this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Temptress, which is the dark brown in this, and literally I'm taking a tiny bit, and I'm just gonna dab it on my outer little corner there. And then I'm gonna be taking the blending brush and just really blending that. So far I've used almost every single color except for Star and the Feminine Fatale. Alright, so we will start with the blue, and I'm going to do a line of blue, and then I'm going to take Stars, and I'm just taking Stars. And that is me creating a look with the Butter London palette that we received. This is, oh gosh, I just put my finger in Enchantress. Did I use that one? Yes, I did. I remember now. So, yeah. I'm liking it. It's not my best look, but I am happy that I have finally like used all the colors. Yeah, so there's my eyes. I guess there's not really anything else I can use except for the lip gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and use the lip gloss. Loved these brushes. I will have to wash them and definitely use those again. So we'll put a little bit of this gloss on. It's not too sticky. It's very sheer though. And there's nothing wrong with sheer lip gloss. But that is my look with using my products from my BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys Monday morning bright and early to create a makeup